showing you how to create a Facebook page for your business and 3 ways to create Facebook groups on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to the High Vibe Biz. I help you simplify the tech and systems in your business so you can do the things that you love. My name is Yazi and I'm so excited to walk you through the 3 different ways to create a Facebook group and how and why you should be connecting your Facebook group to your Facebook business page. So if you want to know how to create a Facebook group, there are 3 different ways. The first way is by coming to your home page, and then on that top bar, and you can actually do it on any of the pages, you click that plus button, it says create, and then you can click group, and it walks you through the different options to create a group. So you upload your cover, your group name, your privacy, things like that. Next, you can come over to groups. So if you don't know this image right here, that's your groups channel. So you can come over to the left-hand side and then click that plus to create a new group. And again, you're taken to the same options. And then lastly, if you have a Facebook page for your business, and I highly recommend that you do, because if you promote anything from your personal page, Facebook might suspend you and remove everything, including Ads Manager, which Facebook is such a powerful ads tool. I really wouldn't recommend it. So make sure you have a Facebook business page so that you can properly promote your business, because if you do it on your personal page, it's against Facebook's T's and C's. So once you're on your Facebook business page, you're going to come over under your image, click more, and then click groups. Here you can see all of the groups that you already created and are already linked to your Facebook page. Or if you already have a group but it's not linked to your Facebook page, you would go ahead and click link group, and then any group that you are in charge of, you would go ahead and click link. And then if you want to create a new link group, you would just click this button and it will take you through very similar prompts.